Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the best free AI apps that can replace your expensive software. Ready to cut costs while maximizing your productivity? Let's go. So, what exactly are AI apps? These applications leverage artificial intelligence to perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, making them powerful tools for everyday work. First up is a fantastic free AI design software that rivals top-tier graphic design tools. It's intuitive and offers features that can save you hours of work. Next, let's check out a powerful free AI writing assistant. Whether you're crafting an essay or brainstorming ideas, this tool will elevate your writing without the hefty price tag. Now, if video editing is your game, you'll love this free AI video editing tool. It offers features that can easily replace costly software without compromising on quality. Looking to streamline your projects? This free AI project management app serves as a great substitute for high-end solutions, helping you keep everything organized effortlessly. Last but not least, we have a free AI coding assistant that matches the capabilities of expensive IDEs. Enhance your coding experience with automated suggestions and error corrections. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from users who made the switch to these fantastic free AI apps and how it transformed their workflow. To sum it up, we've explored 5 amazing free AI apps that can replace those costly alternatives. Are you ready to make the switch? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us about your favorite AI app in the comments below. Thanks for watching.